original antique Stirling engine. Got it running on just a simple candle right now. You can see that it's got a kerosene tank below it, and that allows for a little oil lamp to run. You can see the oil cups for the bushings, and I'll just go ahead and start it. That's it, it's running. Power of the Stirling engine. Super quiet, simple machine. You can see that it's got a little pulley right there for connecting a sewing machine or something similar, small machine. And like I said, I'm just running it on a candle right now. So if I just apply a little more heat with a lighter, you'll see I'll pick up some RPMs here. What a beautiful thing. Doesn't get more beautiful than that.